the waiting room. Okay. Okay, so good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the first introductory session on critical thinking. I did leave a very brief note on the WhatsApp, official WhatsApp group. Some of you might have seen it. So I'm Dr. Subuhi, the course instructor, along with the Dr. Ahmed Faraz Khan. We are going to try to help you understand your level, your stage of critical thinking, and help you hone your critical thinking skills. So with the help of this small 2-credit course on critical thinking. So today we do not have any power packed presentation or any heavily loaded session. This is just an ice breaking session, especially because at least I am new to your batch as yet, because I had no course to teach last semester, because most of my papers are uh, you know electives for final years. So today we decided that we will have a brief ice breaking session, a brief introductory session, and I see all of you are now, well tuned to attending virtual classes, and you've started, registering your name and roll number uh, for your attendance. So that's cool and that's good. So I don't have to repeat all those things. But then for the, I know we are around 73 people, but as of now, and probably a few more might join. But then quickly, if we can have a half a minute, introduction. So each one of you can just switch on your video when you introduce yourself, and then you can switch it off after you're finished. So I don't think so there will be much of a time wasted, because it's important to know the audience before you interact. So I don't want to be sitting on in front of a blank screen. Unfortunately, we didn't had the opportunity to see each other in person. We thought probably we might go in for an orientation, so that also could not materialize given the kind of second wave and the havoc that it had created. So all those things, had a toll on the usual events that we hold to get acquainted with our new batch. And but then I'm sure, on one-to-one basis, we will tend to, know each other better, and we will try and learn from each other, and we will try and contribute to the discussions that we will have online, because this is something which is going to stay for now. So it's not just a temporary phase of interaction. The world has changed, and this is we need to get used to this as well, right? So before you start your introduction, I'm sure you are familiar with Dr. Faraz, but still, Faraz, if you would want to say something before they start their introduction, any guidance on what how to introduce themselves, and then how much time? Like I said, half a minute would be sufficient. So
yeah, I think we can go from the list of the participants. Everyone can see the list of the participants, so they know that what is their turn, what is their turn, and they can just introduce, open up your camera, speak a bit about themselves. That okay, what is your name, and from what you have done in your graduation, and maybe that's it, ma'am. You want
yeah, that's it. Or anything, any additional information they would like to share, they're open, but not beyond half a minute. That's it, because we have another set of discussion after this. So and then we have also planned a small quiz for you after this, after that. So stick to the timing prescribed, that is half a minute. So
let's start. So everyone of you can see your names on the participant list. So Abdul Wahab, I think, is the first one.
Yes, Abdul Wahab, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
So
Open up the camera.
can we have the pleasure of seeing you virtually at least?
Yes, one minute. Yes. Are you see right now?
Yes, yes, we can see. Oh, now.
Okay. I am Abdul Wahab from Kerala,
Okay,
Calicut, Kerala.
so keep your video switched on. We keep your video switched on. The rest of you can switch off your video at the moment so that we can, the network can bear the load. Yes, yes, Wahab, go ahead. We can see you now.
Okay, ma'am. I am Abdul Wahab from Calicut, Kerala. I am completed my graduation in Bachelor of Business Administration in Marketing.
Just one sec, Wahab. What I'm suggesting is, while you are introducing yourself for half a minute, keep your video switched on. Okay.
I already switched on my video, ma'am.
But then
It's because of bandwidth, it is switching off. We are not able to see.
okay.
This happens.
Okay, so continue.
Okay, continue, Abdul Wahab.
Yes, I am Abdul Wahab from Calicut, Kerala. I am completed my graduation in Bachelor of Business Administration in Marketing. Then after that, I completed a career-centric computer training program. Then after that, I tried 2 times the entrance exam of Aligarh Muslim University MBA. The second time, I shortlisted for the interview, and after that, I get the opportunity to study with Aligarh Muslim University main campus MBA.
Okay, so you're registered with MBA course, right?
Yes.
Okay. So I hope like your efforts and your efforts of 2 years of trying here is well paid off, and you make the best out of the opportunity you've been given, Wahab. Thank
Yes,
you.
ma'am.
Next, Adil
Thank
Akhtar.
you. And
Adil Akhtar, are you around? The next in the list is Adil Akhtar. Adil, are you there?
I think it's Mohammad Asad Bey has now jumped into the list. I don't know. Please, I think the people who open their mics, they actually jump in the list.
Okay. No.
Now Adil is back. So Adil, are you there?
So
Can
till
you
we
hear
have
Adil?
okay, so till we have Adil ready and he's able to hear us out, we can go ahead with Aditya Sharma. Aditya, can you hear us? Yes.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
My name is Aditya Sharma, and I'm from Aligarh. I completed my bachelor's in electrical engineering from AKTU Lucknow, and right now I'm pursuing MBA in Islamic banking and finance.
Okay, so you're a part of MBA IBF course. Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Aditya. Who's next? Adnan Riaz. Adnan? Adnan, are you there?
Good afternoon, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, you're very much audible, and we would like to have a look at you as well. So don't deprive us of not seeing you. Of seeing you, sorry. Don't deprive us of that. So switch on your video for a while.
Am I visible, ma'am?
Not as yet, Adnan.
Ma'am, I am having some network connection issue. So can I continue without the video?
All right, go ahead.
Okay.
Yeah, we had a glimpse of you. Good. So you can continue. Yeah, you can continue, Adil. Sorry, Adnan.
My name is Adnan Riaz. I am from Lucknow. I did my 10th and 12th from Lucknow, and I did my graduation in civil engineering from Aligarh Muslim University. After that, I took a break of 1 year and then joined this MBA.
Okay, good, great. Thank you, Adnan. Adil Akhtar, are you around? I think he's not in the list anymore. Probably he has some issues. Afzal Shamim, is he around? Afzal Shamim?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Afzal.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please go ahead with your
audible?
introduction. Yes, you're very much audible and you're visible as well. Good.
Assalamualaikum, ma'am. My name is Abdul Shamim. I belong to Chandauli district, UP. I have completed my graduation from Aligarh Muslim University, Department of Physics. Now I am pursuing Islamic Banking and Finance from Aligarh Muslim University.
Great answer. Thank you. Next is Ali Haris. Can we have Ali Haris for the introduction? Ali?
Yes, ma'am. Hello?
Yes, we can hear you, Ali. Go ahead.
Yeah, just a second. Yes, can you see me?
Yes, we can see you.
Yes, ma'am. Hi, I'm Ali Haris. I'm from Aligarh only, and I've done my 10th and 12th from Our Lady of Fatima, and 12th from +2 boys, AMU. After that, I've done my civil engineering from Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University. After that, I've taken a gap of 1 year for doing a job as site engineer, and now I'm pursuing my MBA program.
Good to have you, Ali. Thank you. Next is Arbaz Hafiz Khan. Arbaz, are you around? Arbaz, switch on your video and unmute yourself. Arbaz? Not able to connect with them, is not responding. So Arib, are you there? Arib Salman?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Arib, go ahead. We will take Arbaz later. Yes, Arib.
Hello, ma'am. My name is Arif Salman. I have completed my graduation in commerce from Aligarh Muslim University. Currently, I enrolled in MBA International Business.
Okay, good. Next is Arsalanullah Khan.
Arsalanullah Khan.
Arsalanullah Khan. Yes.
Please unmute yourself, Arsalan.
Arsalan, we can't hear you. Unmute yourself.
Hello.
Yes, we can hear you now.
Okay. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
My name is Arsalanullah Khan,
and
I belongs to district Jalon near Jhansi in Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my graduation in mathematics from Aligarh Muslim University, and now I have enrolled in MBA program.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Welcome. Next is Arshi Moin. Arshi, are you there?
Ma'am, am I visible?
Yes, you are now.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Arshi Moin. I'm from Jaipur, Rajasthan. Have done my graduation from Jamia Millia Islamia from BSc in Electronics and Instrumentation, and currently I'm enrolled in MBA General.
Okay, good, good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome to AMU, Arshi. I hope you had a good stay till now. Next is Aisha Khan. Aisha, are you there? Aisha is trying to connect. Yes.
Thank you.
Unmute yourself, Aisha. Yes.
Yes, Aisha,
So
go ahead.
Am I audible?
Yeah, we can see you and we can hear you both.
Okay. Good afternoon. And I am Aisha Khan and I belong to Gaziantep. I have done my MCom and BCom and MCom from Jamia Millia Islamia, and I am currently enrolled in MBA IBF.
Okay, good.
Thank you.
Thank you, Aisha. Next, we have Hafiz Imran Javed. Imran, unmute yourself, and your video is also distorted a bit.
Yes, ma'am. Maybe there's some issue with my camera, I think, my laptop camera.
Okay, it doesn't matter. You can switch off your camera and just introduce yourself quickly.
Assalamualaikum, ma'am. Assalamualaikum, sir. My name is Hafiz Imran Javed, and I have a degree. I have a bachelor's degree in civil engineering from Aligarh Muslim University, and now I'm pursuing MBA General.
Good to have a lot, many of you from civil engineering from this our Zakir Hussain College. Good. Next is
Thank you, ma'am.
Jasmine Malhotra. Are you around?
Hamza.
Yes, ma'am.
Or Hamza? Yes, Hamza. Yes, Hamza, we can see you. You can go ahead.
Good afternoon. My name is Hamza Mafrud. I have done my graduation last year from ZSCT in electrical stream.
Okay. So you worked for a year and then you decided to go for MBA, huh?
No, last year. Then I took admission in IBS.
Okay.
Thank you.
Good, Hamza. Thank you. Next is Jasmine. Jasmine, you can switch on your video and then introduce yourself.
Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am, and good afternoon, sir. My name is Jasmine, and I have completed my Bachelor's of Commerce from Aligarh Muslim University, and now currently enrolled into MBA General course.
Good. Thank you, Jasmine.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Next is Junaid. Junaid Ali.
Assalamualaikum, ma'am.
Walaikum assalam. Yes, Junaid. Go ahead.
My name is Junaid Ali. And I have completed my graduation in computer science, and now I am currently doing MBA in international business.
Okay. So you did your graduation from AMU itself, or
No, ma'am. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar University, Agra.
Okay. So as of now, you are based in where are you based? In Agra or some other place, not in Aligarh?
No, ma'am, Aligarh.
You are based in Aligarh only? Okay. Thank you. Who's next? Kavita Nair, are you around? Kavita, can we have
Yes,
your...
ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, sir. I'm Kavita Nair. Completed my graduation in BCom Honors from Aligarh Muslim University and currently enrolled in MBA General.
Okay, good. Next is Keshu Pathak. Keshu, are you there?
Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible and you're visible as well. Go ahead.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, sir. My name is Keshu Pathak. I belong to Aligarh, and I have completed my Bachelor's in Commerce from Department of Commerce, AMU. And currently I'm enrolled.
Sorry, Department of
Commerce,
Okay.
AMU. And currently I'm enrolled in MBA General.
Okay. Good. Thank you, Keshu. Who's next? Kulsum Mendi.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, audible?
Yes, we can hear you, but can't see you as yet.
Yeah, ma'am, I'm Kulsum Mendi, and I'm currently enrolled in MBA Business, and I did my intermediate from AMU itself, and I did my graduation in Business Administration from Jamia Islamia, and I'm from Faizabad.
Okay. Sorry, I missed. Which course are you enrolled in? MBA General or IB? MBA IB. Okay, good. Thank you, Kulsum. Who's next? Kumar Krishna Singh.
Yes, ma'am. Can you see I am visible?
Yes, very much.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is. I am from Aligarh. I have done my graduation in Physics Honors from AMU, and I am enrolled in MBA International Business.
Good, thank you.
Sorry.
Lata Chaudhary.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Lata Chaudhary. I am from Aligarh. I have completed my schooling from Kendriya Vidyalaya, and I did my graduation in BSc Honors in Computer Application from AMU itself. and currently I'm enrolled in MBA General.
Okay, good. Thank you, Lata. Next, Mariam Zakir, are you there? Mariam?
Yes, good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Mariam. Go ahead.
Yes,
You can
ma'am,
see.
my name is Mariam. I belong from Allahabad. I've completed my bachelor's in commerce from Isabella Thoban College in Lucknow. And currently I'm doing MBA International Business from AMU.
Thank you. Good. Next. Dr. Faraz, like, are we in time? I hope none of them are taking any extra time, right? Who's next? Mohammad Nazim Ahmed? Nazim Ahmed.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum
My
assalam.
name is Mohammad Nazim Ahmed and I completed my graduation in BCom. I am currently pursuing MBA IB.
Okay. Good. Thank you, Nazim.
Tausif Raza.
Mohammad Tausif Raza.
Assalamualaikum, ma'am. Am I visible?
Yes. Alaikum assalam.
My name is Mohammad Tausif Raza. I am from Delhi. I have completed mechanical engineering from ZS CET AMU itself, and currently I am enrolled in MBA. Thank you.
Okay, that's good. Thank you, Tausif. Dr. Faraz, who's next? Can
Thank
you
you, ma'am.
please put the participants list? Yes. Who's next?
Mirza Murli.
Mirza, are you around?
Hello. Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes. Yeah. You're audible.
My,
as
my
well.
name is Mirza Mujid Iftikhar. I am from Lucknow and I have completed my schooling and graduation from Lucknow itself and currently enrolled in MBA.
Okay, good. Thank you, Mirza.
Muhammad Arafat.
Assalamu alaikum, all of you.
Alaikum
I
assalam.
am Muhammad Arafat, and I am basically belong to the Sambal. It is a district in Western Uttar Pradesh, and I have completed my graduation in B Honors Geography from Aligarh Muslim University itself, and currently pursuing MBA General.
Good. Thank you, Arafat. And yes, we know where Sambal is. I'm sorry, I'm tempted to engage in conversation with all of you, but just trying to control myself just to be in time and not to just stray away. This is the first interaction that we are having, so please bear with me. I'm just excited to know all of you. So who's next in the list, Dr. Faraz? Muhammad Arafat. Okay.
Yes, good afternoon, ma'am and sir. My name is Arham Tareen, and I belong to Sambal as well. And I've done my undergraduation from Jagannath Institute of Management Studies from Jaipur.
Okay.
And currently I'm enrolled in MBA International Business.
Oh, good, good, good.
Thank you.
Thank you, Arafat.
Muhammad Asad Beg.
No. Am I audible?
Yes, and visible as well. Good to see you, Asad.
I'm Mohammad Asad Beg. I completed my high school from Al-Riga Fatima Aligarh.
Okay.
And later joined Aligarh Muslim University where I completed my 12th and later Bachelor's in Science from Geology. And I'm now pursuing MBA General from FMSI.
Good to know that. Thank you. Who's next?
Muhammad Faizan.
Arham Tareen is also there.
Tareen has given. Muhammad Faizan Khan.
Faizan, are you around?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Faizan. And you don't have to individually address as ma'am and such. Just good afternoon and assalamu alaikum or whatever you want to greet us with. Greet everybody.
Yeah. Okay, so my name is Mohammad Faizan Khan and I am from district Hamirpur, UP. I did my 12th from senior secondary school +2, AMU itself, and my graduation from the Department of Geology, AMU, and I am currently enrolled in the MBA.
In?
MBA General.
Okay, good. Thank you, Faizan.
Yeah, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
I'm Mohammad Osama Akhtar here, born and brought up in Jaunpur. I did my schooling from St. Joseph, and I did my bachelor's in geology from Aligarh Muslim University itself. And right now I'm pursuing MBA.
Good, good. Many of you from geology, right? That's the numbers are noteworthy, I guess. Good. Who's next?
Mohammad Zia Hassan.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone.
Yes, good afternoon, Zia. Go ahead with your introduction.
Yes, ma'am. My name is Mohammad Zia Hassan. I am from Lucknow. I have done my schooling from Lucknow itself and my graduation in BBA from IMS Noida.
IMS?
Noida.
Noida, okay.
Yes.
And you're enrolled in which course here? MBA
Ma'am,
or
MBA IB.
Okay. Good to have you, Zia. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Muhammad Aman Khan.
Good afternoon to all of you. My name is Muhammad Aman Khan and I'm a resident from Bareilly. I have completed my graduation from Bareilly College affiliated to Mahatma Jyotiba Phule Rohilkhand University, Bareilly itself. And currently I have enrolled in MBA International Business. Thank you.
Good. Thank you, Aman. Who's next?
Muhammad Kamran Ali.
Hello. Hello, ma'am.
Hello. Hello,
I am
Kamran.
Kamran Ali. I am pursuing MBA International Business and I'm a computer graduate.
From?
I'm from MBA IB, International Business, ma'am.
No. You've done your computer graduate in from where? Where did you do your bachelor's in computers science?
Yes, ma'am. Not from AMU, from a private university.
Okay. Thank you, Kamran. Thank you.
Muhammad Saqib.
Hello, am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, very much audible, and you're visible as well. Good to see you.
Ma'am, my name is Mohammad Saqib. I'm from Aligarh itself, and I did my BCom from the Department of Commerce, AMU, and I'm currently pursuing MBA.
Good. Thank you, Saqib, for that short and sweet intro. Who's next?
Muhammad Yunus.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Yunus. Yes,
I am Muhammad Yunus. I am from Amroha. I have completed my graduation in geography from ANU itself.
Okay.
Now I am enrolled in MBA IBF.
IBF. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Good.
Thank you.
Thank you. Next.
Muhammad Saqib.
Muhammad Saqib.
Yes, sir, I did that.
Okay.
I think he's over.
Good afternoon. My name is Mohammad Abdas. I am from Dehradun and I did my schooling from Dehradun itself and my graduation in commerce from AMU and currently I am enrolled in MBA General.
Okay. Welcome, Abdas. Good to have you and thank you for the introduction. Okay.
Next is Mohsin.
Mohsin, are you around?
Assalamu alaikum, ma'am.
Alaikum assalam. Yes, Mohsin, go ahead.
I am from Ajmer, Rajasthan, and I did my bachelor's in chemistry from Jamia Millia Islamia, and currently I am pursuing MBA in Islamic Banking and Finance.
Great. Thank you. Next.
Mukul Sharma.
Mukul, can you hear
Am I
us?
audible?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Hi, Mukul.
Good afternoon, all. I am Mukul Sharma. I have completed my graduation in mathematics from AMU itself, and now I have enrolled in MBA IB.
Good, good. Thank you. Next, please.
This is Muskan Agarwal.
Good afternoon. This side is Muskan Agarwal. I'm from Aligarh and I am a commerce graduate from AMU. I'm currently enrolled in MBA.
Muskan, you should live up to your name. So I didn't see you smiling. That's better. Thank you, Muskan. Yeah, it's better. See, I'm just trying to break the monotony. Don't think that I'm selectively welcoming somebody and saying good to somebody. It's just that we were trying to break the monotony of the introduction, right? So all of you are welcomed, and all of you, are fantastic, and you know, you're giving your introduction well. So don't get discouraged if selectively say welcome to anybody or something, right? Yes, next, please. Thank you, Muskan.
Thank you.
A very good afternoon to everyone. My name is Nadia Khan. I have completed my graduation in BCom Honors from Aligarh Muslim University, and I'm currently enrolled in MBA program. Thank you.
Welcome, Nadia. Thank you.
You have Nafis Hussain.
Good afternoon to all. My name is Nafis Hussain and I belong to Bihar. I have completed my graduation in mathematics.
Okay.
And up till graduation, I have completed my education in Bihar itself.
Okay.
And right now I'm enrolled in MBA Islamic Banking.
Okay. Which part of Bihar, Nafis, if you don't mind? Where did you do your graduation in mathematics from?
In Darbhanga, ma'am, Lalit Narayan Mitra University.
Okay. Okay. Good. Good. Welcome to AMU, and I hope you're enjoying the course so far. Attended, right?
No, I want to be there as soon as possible, but I'm
We
not
just
getting
hope
the
so. We are also looking forward to that, right? So, thank you, Nafis. Next, please.
This is Nidal Ahmed.
Skip it here.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Nidal Ahmed. I'm from Radabad, UP. I've done my BTech in mechanical engineering from ATU Lucknow, and currently I'm
I think it's raining quite heavily here. I think so. That's why internet is also.
Yeah, it's becoming fragile. Yeah.
It's the internet or not, but yes, sometimes.
But nevertheless, like, we are able to handle well, and we are able to get acquainted with each other quickly. So who's next on the list, Dr. Faraz?
Meza Sultan.
Meza? Unique name. Meza, can we have your intro quickly?
Assalamualaikum, ma'am. My name is
Oneza. Okay, sorry, I thought Meza. I just heard. Sorry, Oneza Sultan. Yes.
My name is Oneza Sultan. I have graduated in zoology from AMU. Currently, I'm enrolled in MBA Geography.
Good. Thank you, Oneza. Next, please.
This is Rafid Mahmood Chaudhry.
Good afternoon. I'm Rafid. I'm from Bangladesh. I have completed BCom from AMU. Now I am enrolled in MBA.
Okay, good. Great to have you, Rafid. Thank you.
Thank you.
Rajat, watch me.
Rajat, are you around?
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Rajat Vash.
Yes, Rajat, go ahead. Yes, we can hear you. Yeah, we can hear you. We can see you.
My name is Zayed Vashni. I've earned my graduation degree in BCom honors from AMU itself, and I am enrolled in MBA.
Good.
Thank you.
Welcome. Thank you. Next.
We have Reshu Garg.
Yes, Reshu.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Reshu Garg, and I am a resident of Aligarh. I had completed my graduation from BSc Chemistry Honors from Aligarh Muslim University, and now I am currently pursuing MBA in General Branch.
Good. Thank you, Reshu. Next, please.
Next, we have Rushda Kaleem.
Yes, Rushda.
Assalamu alaikum, everyone. My name is Rushda Kaleem. I am from Aligarh and I've completed my graduation in BCom honors from AMU in the distance mode, and currently I'm pursuing MBA in International Business.
Good. Thank you, Rushda.
We have Shagun Agarwal.
Sir, and good afternoon.
My name is Shubham Agarwal. I am from Aligarh, and I have completed my graduation in BCom Honors from AMU, and I am currently pursuing an MBA General.
Good. Next, please.
Sharif Javed.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Sharif Javed. I am born and brought up in Delhi. I did my schooling from Kendra Vidyalaya Saligrh. I did my graduation in civil engineering. Then currently I'm enrolled in BTech Civil. Currently I'm enrolled in MBA full time.
Okay, so Sharif, where did you do your BTech from?
I did BTech from Galgottias University.
Delhi? Noida?
Am I not audible?
Okay, okay, fine. Thank you. Thank you. Next, please.
Next, we have Shazar Alam.
Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Shazar Alam. I am from Kolkata. I did BCom Honors in Marketing from Calcutta University, and now I'm enrolled in MBA General.
Welcome, Shazar. Hope you find value in the course you've registered with. And hopefully we will have all of you at the campus so that we can have the usual mode of teaching. So how many more to go, Dr. Faraz?
There are few, ma'am.
Yes. So who's next?
There's Supriya Chaudhary.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good
My
afternoon,
name is
Supriya.
Supriya. I have done my BTech in Computer Science from AKTU, Lucknow, and currently I am pursuing MBA in International Business.
Oh, good. Thank you, Supriya. Next, please.
Syed Nisam Abbas.
Yes, a very good afternoon to all of you. My name is Syed Nisam Abbas. I belong to Delhi. I've completed my high schooling as well as intermediate from Delhi. And I've completed my graduation, that is BTech in Computer Science and Engineering from Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University here. And I'm currently enrolled in MBA full-time program. Lastly, I'm an optimistic person looking for a bright career ahead. Thank you.
Oh, thank you for that additional information. Good to hear that. Thank you, Missan. Thank you.
Thank you.
We have Taj Ahmed.
Am I visible?
Yes. Please go ahead.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Taj Ahmed Samad, and I belong to Aligarh itself. I completed my graduation from the Department of Social Work, Bachelor of Social Work, and I'm currently enrolled in MBA General.
Good, Taj. Thank you for that short introduction. Next, please. Who's next?
Tarun Vashne.
Tarun.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Tarun Vashne. I am from Sambal district. I did my BSc in Industrial Chemistry from Royal Fund University. Currently, I am pursuing MBA.
Welcome, Tarun.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you for that short introduction. Next, please.
Next, we have Tushant Sharma.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Tushant, and I have completed my graduation in geology from AMU, and I am currently enrolled in MBA General course.
Sushant, I'm just curious. I've heard of Sushant.
Yes,
Sushant. What does Sushant mean?
Ma'am, nobody knows.
Try to find out the meaning of the name. People might get
Ma'am,
curious.
it's just an accidental name.
Okay. Try and put a meaning to it. So
Yes, ma'am, I will.
you can create one. And I'll share it later when we have time. How I did for my name. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next, please.
Next, we have Umama Zahir.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Next, please.
Next, we have Waqas Ahmed Beg.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, Waqas. Go ahead, please. Yeah, we can see you. Go
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Waqas Ahmed Beg.
I belong to Lucknow, where I did my schooling as well as my bachelor in civil engineering from Integral University. Currently, I am pursuing my MBA General from AIMU.
Okay. Welcome, Vikas. Another one from civil engineering. Many civil engineers this time, huh? Yes.
Faris Hussain.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Faris Hussain. I'm from Firozabad. I've completed my bachelor's in science and as well as my bachelor in education from Dr. B. Ambedkar University. And currently, I'm enrolled in MBA General.
You did a dual graduation?
No, actually, ma'am. First, I have completed my bachelor in science, then I have my bachelor in education.
Okay.
Then I have.
Okay, B.Ed. Actually, B.Ed is done after graduation.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good. Welcome, Waris. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next, please.
Yash Goel.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. Sorry, good afternoon. My name is Yash Goel. I have completed my graduation in BCom Honors from Aligarh Muslim University. So currently, I'm enrolled in MBA General in AIMU.
Okay, it's okay then BCom Honors, AIMU, 2:30, 3:30 is good morning. Is that so? Just on the lighter side. So good to have you, Yash. Who's next?
You have Yasir Jamal.
Assalamu alaikum, everyone. My name is Yasir Jamal. I'm from Aligarh. I've completed my graduation in social work from AMU, and I'm currently enrolled in MBA IB.
So usually this serious, Yasir?
No.
Okay, just try and feel yourself free in this course, because of course we have to be very serious thinker while we have to do a lot of serious thinking during the course. But then I want you to be really relaxed and open up in the discussion, right? Thank you, Yasir. Who's next?
We have Zainab Fatma Bilrami.
Assalamu alaikum, ma'am, sir. And a very good afternoon, everyone. I am Zainab Fatma Bilrami. I've completed my graduation in BCom Honors from AIMU itself. And currently I'm enrolled in MBA General program. Thank you.
Sometimes there are name alike, in different batches. We had Zainab Fatma Bilrami in earlier batches. I was wondering how come she's enrolled once again. I'm just joking. Thank you, Zainab, and welcome to this course. Okay.
Thank you.
Who's next?
We have Zoya Khalid.
I believe that's the last candidate.
There are a few who were left in, I think, the joint.
We will give them a chance quickly. Yes, Zoya, are you there? Zoya? Zoya, can you hear us? Or maybe we can give a chance to those who were left out earlier.
Okay, I think some people who have not given the introduction.
Please volunteer yourself who have been accidentally missed, or maybe because of some technical error we couldn't take you in your turn. Zoya?
Yes, ma'am, I was left. Can I?
Afra, yeah, please come in, Afra.
Can you see me?
Yes.
Assalamu alaikum, ma'am. I'm Afra Malik. I have done my graduation from ZSCT in electrical engineering. And currently I am in IPF.
Okay, Islamic banking. That's great.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Afra. Zoya? Anybody else who's left?
Ma'am, can I have a chance to give my introduction?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Arbaz Hafiz Khan. I belong to Aligarh. I've done my graduation in computer science engineering and have completed my schooling from abroad, that is Saudi Arabia to be precise. And currently I'm enrolled in MBA course of Aligarh Muslim University.
Arbaz, why have you deprived us of having the privilege to see your beautiful face?
Ma'am, actually, I'm sitting in my father's cabin in the hospital right now. That's why I did not switch on the video.
I hope everything is okay.
Yes, ma'am, everything is fine. Alhamdulillah.
Hospital, your father is not well? Is unwell?
No, ma'am, actually, my father is a doctor and
Okay.
he, yeah.
Okay. in Aligarh itself or?
No, ma'am, Saudi Arabia.
Saudi Arabia, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Welcome, Arbaz, and good to have you.
Thank you so
finally,
much,
I think, are we done with the introduction part? Or is there anybody else left who would want to come in and you know, get acquainted with us? Mojiz Abbas has just joined. So anybody else left? Or shall we go ahead with the discussion, the next round of discussion that we have planned for you?
We can start now.
Okay, so it's great to have you all. Just wanted to have an idea about your background. Most of you are from either science background or engineering background or commerce background. I haven't come across any humanities as yet, to be honest, as far as I can remember. So
I am from social work.
Social work, okay. Yeah, there are a couple of people from social work. Yes, that's good. So irrespective of your background, what is more important is like, we all need to be, critical thinkers in today's age, where we all are bombarded with information from all around, and it's so difficult to filter the right set of information for ourselves and take right kind of decisions and right kind of and judge properly. So that is why this course warrants a lot of tools and techniques for you all so that you equip yourself to take on the challenge of this deluge of information around us, right? So we wanted to start the discussion on what is your expectation from the course, and what is the course outcome that you're expecting, and why do you think critical thinking is important for MBA grads or business students like you, right? So can we have this discussion open? And have I framed the question correctly, Dr. Faraz? Like, this is what we wanted, isn't it? So many of you might not have gone through the syllabus as yet. So let me tell you, it's a 2-credit course. So it's a small course, but nevertheless very, as the name goes, critical. So I just wanted to have a brief idea, like what is it that you expect to learn from this course? And why do you think critical thinking is important? Any one of you. Now, this is not a compulsory introductory session. It's for those who wish to come in and would want to participate in the discussion. And please feel free to express yourself. This has to be a very informal platform, and there's nothing right or wrong answer here. Your points will be evaluated, and you will be given scores on the basis of your participation spirit, not what not just the quality but also the quantity the content that you contribute. Yes, Taj, you want to come in?
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, I would answer it as per my goals in life. So, my goal is to open an educational society and humanitarian organization, which I keep it as my business also, and also do the humanitarian work through it. So, in short, I want to teach and make people educated, most of them, which cannot afford it. So, according to me, I did my graduation in social work to know the social part of it, to the philanthropist part of it. But now I will engage myself in MBA to know the like resource management part of it, how to manage everything, how to manage my people in my organization, etc. So that is my goal. That according to that, I'm answering.
So how do you think this course? What is it that you're expecting from this course? What is it that you expect to learn from this course?
The management skills to run that kind of an organization, how to manage people, how to manage the resources, how to manage everything else which comes under this organization. So
There are scores of other papers in management, Taj. I'm asking all of you, like, what is it that you're expecting that you would be taught in critical thinking, and why do you think this course is important?
Okay.
Yes, let somebody else come in. Thank you, Taj. Yes, Waqas.
May I chip in?
Yeah, please.
I think we all make decisions, and when we are in management, the decisions is like related with the whole organization. Our decision is impact the whole organization performance, and most of the time our decisions are based on some experiences that we have, and it is full of biases. So I think this course will help me to take some course correction measures. And it will my belief or a decision will be formulated based on some rationale rather than my belief or some past experience or prejudices. That's what I see.
That's great, Waqas.
Can I comment?
Yes, Saqib.
Ma'am, I would say that, ma'am, I'm expecting from this course of critical thinking that, ma'am, in today's world, like there is so much information, and somebody said that knowledge is power, but clarity is much bigger power than knowledge. Most people know many things, but to know the right thing at the right place is the thing. So critical thinking, ma'am, can equip us with what to do and what not to do, and to eliminate those things which are not very useful or maybe dealt later. So that's what I'm expecting.
Good. You are developing those clarity gradually, and in fact, we do have tools for clarity. In fact, that's one of the topic in Unit 1. Yes, anybody else?
May I?
Yes, Keshu.
And in my opinion, what I'm expecting from this course is that we are able to, or we would be able to see a problem from the different dimensions and come to some reasonable solution to it.
Okay, so reasoning is logic, and reasoning is something that you really want to develop your skills on that front. Okay. Next, anybody else? Who
Yes,
else?
ma'am.
Yes, Arsala. Yes, Arsala.
Ma'am, as decision making ability is an important skill for a manager, and I think that critical thinking will help in evaluating and analyze the various aspects from which we can take a best decision among many decisions.
And may I contribute something?
Yes.
I think the course will help us to think better and faster, like to be help us thinking on our toes, discussing problems and finding optimal solution to the problem through different perspectives. So I think it will help us to solve problem and analyze the solution.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Arbaz.
Ma'am, I might be speaking from a computer science perspective. So according to me, critical thinking is all about understanding different ideas and coming to a judgment.
Different alternatives and thinking deep about the problem. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any female? Mariam Zakir, are you around? Mariam? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Mariam, what is your expectation from the course?
Ma'am, I think critical thinking is a subject where we'll have to think for a specific problem in an alternative ways and find the perfect solution for that problem.
There's never a perfect solution, Mariam, but yes, a better solution. That's the word we use, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So, like, anybody else would like to contribute?
Yes, ma'am. May I?
Osama, yes. Muhammad.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I think it is very important in the new knowledge economy, as like, ma'am, the new economy demands flexible intellectual skills and the ability to analyze different scenarios, which critical thinking really helps. And it also entails effective communication and problem solving abilities.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, ma'am. And it also enhances language and presentation skills, so that ma'am, thinking clearly and systematically can like improve the way we express our ideas.
That's wonderful. A very, very well framed answer, Osama. Congratulations. Very
Thank
close
you.
to the learning objectives of the course. Dr. Faraz, you would like to come in and summarize, unless we have any other person who would like to contribute. I think most of you have given some good perspective about the course. So if there's nobody else from the participant side, then I would request Dr. Faraz to summarize and the learning objectives and outcomes of this course as we have planned.
Yes, I think many of the students who have just now spoken, they have a fairly decent idea about what is this skill about and why this skill is needed. In fact, when we look at the top employment skills today, in fact, this skill appears in majority of the surveys at the very top. And among the top 3-4 skills which are required for today's jobs, as well as I would say for survival and to make good decisions, we need to be critical thinkers. Now, as the term suggests, critical, it does not mean that we have to be suspicious of everything, but critically evaluating, because if we look at ourselves, we find that we are a product of our conditioning. And this conditioning takes place from our schooling and the background from where we hail, and the place from where we come, the friends we have, the kind of teachers we have had, and so on and so forth. There's so many, and the experiences we collect over, and all this also results in lot of say
biases, as somebody correctly has
biases, inconsistencies and biases in our decision making. And this course is about identifying those. And there's nothing wrong. First, please try to understand it, that there's nothing wrong in having biases as such, because they are present in everyone and they are all around us. But
it's very natural, yeah.
It's very natural, and that the difference between an informed and educated human being is that of this thinking skill. If we are to make proper decision in anywhere in life or in any vocation, it doesn't matter that whether we are, say, working with any class of people, whether we are serving in corporate environment, we are working at a social level. So we all basically make decisions, and those decisions have to be checked again and again. We have to be conscious that when we are making a decision, is it a sound decision? Are we taking into account all the aspects? Are we critically evaluating ourselves, that have we considered all this information? Or is it just that someone is, and there are a lot of different kinds of forces today around us who are trying to manipulate our decision making through social media, through some of these forces are not, I would say, good forces. I would not again term evil forces, but yes, they are not. They have their motivations, and we have different kinds of people in this world, and they have different kinds of. We create that aura where our decision making is influenced, and in fact, we all are in the business of decision making and business of influencing others through our decisions. So once we do that, this course comes in very handy to make us understand that, okay, this is the right process, and critically evaluating decisions and critically evaluating information is possible. And through practice, we can develop this skill to make better decisions and make better judgments about things. So this course is all about this, all about developing this skill where we can look at information, evaluate through understanding logic, and understand, identify the various fallacies, identify the various biases which are there, and then apply them in whatever context we are, whether it is business, whether it is our a social life, whether it is a personal life, and try to apply those things wherever we can. So this course is about all this.
Thank you for that wonderful summary, Dr. Faraz. Yes, just to add to it a little bit, critical thinking is not something new. Like, it has been there for ages. We have Greek philosophers who are actually the founding fathers of this stream of discipline. But then the need for this skill is more warranted in today's age because of the fast pace of change that is happening around us, and also because of the complexity that we have to deal with. We are living in a very complex world, where authentic information and genuine knowledge is becoming scarce. Like, you really have to exert a lot in order to filter the right information and the true information for yourself. And of course, irrespective of the context and the recent changes, we carry our own baggage of assumptions and thoughts, and we naturally tend to be biased to a great extent. So this course typically helps you to understand your thinking process. It equips you to understand your thinking process and improve you towards a higher level of higher stage of critical thinking. So this basically is going to hone your thinking skills, and it will equip you with a certain set of tools, and it is intended to at least make you a better thinker, right? So we can't afford to be unmindful of our environment. We can't afford to take things for granted. Any information that reaches us, we need to apply our mind, and we need to explore its sources and analyze, and then make a judgment for itself, right? So that's why we have introduced this course, and this course is one of the top listed course, course not just by the employers, but otherwise also for any profession, for any gender human being, irrespective whether you're employed or not. But then for the business students especially, you will have to you will be examined on the basis of your critical thinking skills, not just at the entry level, but even at the higher level. So there are the spate of psychometric tests that you are required to take for your job, for your employment, and for your promotion later on. Like, all these, they have components of different types of critical thinking skills, right? And that is why, like, we've tried to prepare a small sample, critical thinking skills. We'll talk about that after we are through with the discussion on the syllabus. So as I said, it's a 2-credit course, so not a very lengthy course, but small capsule set of knowledge that we have planned for you. So there are 3 units. In the initial unit, we will try to help you understand the basic concept and origin of critical thinking, and then the standards and the barriers, the biases, as somebody rightly had pointed. So we will try and focus on that, and then we will take you through the different stages of critical thinking, the different aspects of barriers and the stages of critical thinking, and then we'll introduce to you a framework of critical thinking and some tools for clarity in thinking, and then we'll switch on to the bedrock of critical thinking, and that is the arguments. What is argument, and how to construct an argument, how to evaluate an argument. So the entire second unit will equip you with that knowledge of argument. So we might have been arguing for ages, and from ever since, like, you might definitely would have been arguing, but then now you would be more conscious of all those arguments, and then you would be able to understand how to compose the right set of arguments, and how to evaluate an argument, and identify the flaws in the argument, if any. So we'll also introduce to you in the third unit the different kinds of flaws or the biases or the distortions in arguments. We call it fallacies, right? So the entire third unit is full of different kinds of fallacies, and it's really intriguing to learn and discover how we have been using those biases all along to this day. So students have really who really have taken this course seriously have really benefited from the concepts that are discussed, and I hope so that this batch will also be eager to participate and learn and master the critical thinking skills. So so that is all about the syllabus. And as far as the evaluation goes, so 50% of the evaluation will be based on the class participation and class discussion. So all the sessions will be recorded. So even if you have put in your attendance in the chat box and then you leave for whatever reason, it will be noted. So for example, at the moment we have 76 attendance marked in the chat box, and as of now we just have 56 participants. So all these will be noted, and whosoever is participating in the discussion, it will all have a bearing on your final scores. Although scores are not the objective of this course, it's a credit course, a 2-credit course, and it's a compulsory course, so you don't have to really score very high. But then if you really want to hone that skill, and this is one of the topmost skill required in any kind of a job, not just management, not just for management professionals, for any profession, right? So try and give some time to this and try and learn as much as possible and contribute to the skills. So we will be uploading the exercises, the resources, the links, the syllabus, and all the possible resources that you need to understand this concept better. So I think that was all about the course and learning outcomes and expectations from the course. So after this, like we had planned a small quiz for you. We thought we would initially we thought we would give it live to you, but then it's not warranted because you can do it at your end. So Dr. Faraz, can you just brief them up about this quiz?
Yeah, they can now go to the Google Classroom, and there is an assignment in the Google Classroom. This is a quiz assignment. So there were some people who were trying to attempt that even before the class. So now this is kind of a preliminary assessment of at what level you are in terms of applying the critical thinking skills. And like what ma'am has also discussed, that many of the employers today, very good employers, they try to assess during the recruitment process, they try to bring in this aspect of critical thinking, and they usually have some tests which are there. And these questions which are there in this quiz have been taken from some of the sample tests which some of the employers usually take. So critical thinking skill, like it is very much part of the employment, even the recruitment process now, assessment of the critical thinking skills. So we thought that why not have a baseline of try to, and you can, this is a self-assessment test. As soon as you complete the test, you will get the result. You will get to know your score yourself. So you can keep a like a copy of this, and maybe at the end of this course, when we again revisit, we will have another different kind of tests. You can also monitor your own progress, that how you are doing in terms of the building on the skills. So with this, we will start accepting the responses, and even as soon as we end this.
Before we close, yes, the test has been borrowed from the Pearson's assessment group, and this test is known as Glaser-Watson Critical Thinking Appraisal. It has 5 sections. Try and read the instructions carefully. Many of you might have attempted these kind of questions earlier as well. I have given a very simple form of the test. Usually in 30 minutes time, you are expected to answer 40 questions. But then in this particular sample, you just have to answer 18 questions, and the entire instructions are given how to address each of the section. So inference and assumptions and logic and all these are the different sections that you have to deal with. So I hope you enjoy answering this. Stick to the timeline and do it seriously, because this is just a self-assessment. Your scores will not matter. What will matter is your participation and your attempt, right? So with this, I think we are done for the day.
And there is a time limit. Like you have to attempt it before today. Ma'am, what is the time limit?
Yeah, give them a couple of hours, like
till 6.
Till 6 o'clock. Yeah, we'll put it on the group.
You need to attempt this before 6. So even if the
so please extend the time.
Yes.
Please extend the time.
Why?
Okay, so let them finish it by 12. Let it be. Let it be.
But
maybe they'll relax and then freshen up and then get ready for the thinking assignment. So before 12 tonight, that's okay. That's okay. So it's just that we want you to participate and see for yourself how these tests, are administered, because it's very likely that once you are over with your course and then you enter the market, you might have to face these kinds of tests, right? So anything else? So we've extended it to 12. Is that okay with all of you?
Sir, now excuse me.
Yes.
I tried to click on the link just now and it's showing it's no longer accepting responses. So should I open it afterwards?
So we have not started it, right?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
All right. Any other question? Anybody? Okay, then. Wish you all good luck with this practice test, and we will try and discuss the outcomes, the right answers. You'll come to know whether it is right or wrong, but then the logic behind it we can discuss in the next session. All right. So till then, thank you all, and that's it. Any other information, Dr. Faraz, you would like to share with them?
No, if there are any doubts, any query, I think they can ask if you have any.
Sir, when are you going to start the link?
No, site has started.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Time yourself for 30 minutes. That is more important, because this is for your self assessment. All right.
Okay.
Okay then.
Take care. Thank you.
That's